Well, life on the farm is kind of laid back. Ain't much an old country boy like me can.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the AI Cowboy. Today I want to show you how to get set up with distributed computing in under 5 minutes. This is for folks who run large data pipelines, are doing any type of data science work, AI, machine learning related um, work. So we'll get into it. I've posted the GitHub link in the description below, so feel free to clone this repo and use it for learning purposes. Um, the image that we're going to be building off of today is a Linux image, Python 3.9. The main tool we're using here is htop. Htop is going to allow us to see all the cores that are being used at the same time. Um, we are going to use a Python package called modin. Modin is it has an API for pandas, so it's going to use all of your native pandas functions um, and turn it into a distributed workload on Ray, which is one of modin's dependencies. And so what we'll see and what we'll compare is a vanilla pandas um, implementation versus pandas written on modin and ray. So let's go ahead and take a look in our vanilla pandas notebook. I'm going to be running htop in the terminal. This is again allowing us to see all the cores and how much we're utilizing them. So if I run this cell, what should happen is I should see one core being used um, um, very heavily, while the other cores are not. And so if I hit play here, you'll see it kind of quickly, but one of these cores is going to be maxed out to the fullest. And I don't think we gave it enough data. Let's give it more data. All right, so this core 4 is being maxed out at the moment. As you can see, these other cores aren't being utilized as as fully as they could be. So let's go ahead and kill that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing with modin. Modin is going to allow you again to use the pandas functions on top of ray. So the 3 lines of code you need to set up your notebook, your scripts with distributed computing. And then what we'll do is we'll run the same logic, but I want you guys to pay attention to these cores when we run this notebook. Everything should be utilized to the fullest at 100%. What's happening right now is we're initializing Ray. So Ray is going to each of our cores and is activating them for use. All right, so there you go. We have 100% on all cores. And what this is going to do is it's going to speed up your pandas workflow, because now instead of running on one core, you're running on all the cores on your machine. Thanks for watching.